For this project, I'm going to be using the Transfer Peachy Keen, and I'm going to be putting it on a flour sack towel. So I'm making sure that all the bumps are out. I have it stuck down to a mat so that the ink doesn't leak through onto my table. For the peach part, I'm using the Couture ink, and I'm using the color Papaya. So making sure that I have covered all of my silkscreen parts. In order to make this project permanent later on, all I have to do is let it dry and then iron it. So I'm pulling up the Peachy Keen part, and then I just have to add the leaf. So the Peachy Keen part is still wet, so I'm putting that transfer backer there so that I don't stick my transfer right in the wet ink. It won't stick to the transfer backer because it's a pretty smooth surface. So there we go. Got the leaf on there in the color Garden Herb. And then I ironed it in Peachy Keen.